change the schedule around to be able to have this assembly today. Let's go do it.
So please help me welcome the illusionist, Tom Coverly.
What's up, Michigan? The brick is squishy, man, all right? Dude, you about pooped your pants, man, you all right? Yeah.
No, you're up. Oh.
Did I count?
Yeah.
43 cents exactly. You're good, man, you're good. Get this guy here. Get ready. Go ahead and pour it right into the glass from way up there. Or all over my hand is fine too. And he stood in front of his friends. And after he wiped the tears away, you finally start to hear what he was about to say. He said these words. And he said, I want you to go home. And I want you to tell your mom that you love her. He said, because I have to live the rest of my life knowing the last words out of my mouth to my mom where I hate you. I have to live with that forever. You see, students, life's too short to have unforgiveness, to hold grudges against those that you love and that love you. Whether that's a mom, a dad, someone who's helping raise you, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, brother, or sister, your friends in this room. I want to tell you, I'm looking for a generation of real men and real women who know how to respect those in authority. You see, saying sorry is not the popular thing to do anymore. You're not guaranteed tomorrow, and no one in this room, or your parents, or someone you love is guaranteed tomorrow. I'm asking how many in this room would be willing, the first chance you get today, to text your mom and dad and say that you love them to them. Would you do that? Not raise your hand. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. How many of you, I'll take it a step further, would be willing to physically put your arms around mom and dad the first chance you get and let them know that you love them, or that person that's helping raise you? How many would be willing to do that? And I mean it. Awesome. You put your hands down. I'll take it even a step further than all of that. How many of you would say, Tom, I said some things, I've done some things that I'm not proud of, and I need to swallow my pride, and I need to say these words, I'm sorry, to someone that I've hurt in my family, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister. I need to be able to say I'm sorry. Would you do that today? I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.